Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you confused about how to install Java or why Java program is not running? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to install Java, configure the environment variables and run your first Java program. So let's get started. Open the browser, search Oracle JDK download. Go to the first link, and since I am using Windows operating system, so I will select the Windows here. For Windows user, you need to download exe installer. So just click on the link, the download will be start automatically. In my case, JDK is already downloaded on my system, so I will cancel it and use existing setup. If you are downloading first time, let the download complete and then proceed the installation. Installation is very simple. Go to the downloads, click on the JDK 25, click yes, next, and close it. Java installed successfully in my system, so we can check it. Go to the my PC, C drive, program files, Java JDK 25 bin. Copy this path. Go to this PC, go to the properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, add new system variables. Variable name Java home. Paste the variable value here, column. Okay, then okay. So go to the command prompt. If system variable is set successfully, then Java version will be reflected here. So we check the Java version, Java version is reflected. So my path is successfully set. After that, I will create one Java program. Go to the Notepad. So you can choose any ID like IntelliJ, Eclipse, STS. So I will choose the Notepad here. Create a class. Hello world. Create the main method here. Public static void main. Create the print statement here. System.out.println. Print the hello world. My program is created, so we need to save it. Save it on desktop. Video content. File name and class name should be same. Hello world.java. Program is saved, so we can compile it or run it here. Open the command prompt, compile the Java program, Java C hello world.java. If no error, compile successfully and .class file is generated here. Next, we need to run this .class file, Java hello world. If my program is successfully executed, then hello world will be printed on console. My program is successfully executed, so hello world is printed. If there is any error, so it will be reflected here in the console. Java program is structured. I will explain you. This is the class. Every program start with the class. This is the main method. This is the execution start here. This is the print statement. It is used to print output to the console. Java is case sensitive and structure matters a lot. Common beginners mistakes like file name and class name mismatch, Java home not set correctly, path variables not updated. If you face errors, always double check these points. That's it for this video. Today you learn how to install Java, set up Java home, verify installation, write your first program. This is the foundation of the programming. In the next video, we will understand JVM architecture and see how Java code compile and execute internally. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe the channel, share it with someone who wants to learn Java. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.